All right, David, thank you. KXAN is getting parents, teachers, and students ready to head back to school. Many of the larger districts in our area will head back next week. And ahead of that, we want to discuss back to school health and safety recommendations. Joining us this afternoon is Dr. Shyam Sivasankar from St. David's Children's Hospital. It's been a year since you've been here, so thank you so much for being back.
Thank you so much for having me back, Jennifer.
Okay, looking now, let's start with sleep schedules because I think this is really top of mind for parents. What do they need to know to set their children up for success and make sure they have a consistent sleep schedule, and how do they do that?
Yeah, it can be challenging, but I think the tip and trick is to start early. So right now is the right time before school starts to get adjusted to that new sleep schedule. And you can incrementally increase it, like an earlier and earlier bedtime, because we all know in summer, these kids are up late.
Yes, and the adults are too.
Oh yeah.
And so how many hours would you say that children need, as well as teens, to make sure that they're getting the proper amount of rest?
Yeah, about 10 to 12 hours of sleep is what's recommended for school-age children. As they get a little older in that teenage year age range, maybe about 8 to 10 hours, but more sleep, the better.
Okay, and that goes for adults too.
Absolutely.
And then lastly, let's really just delve into heat safety. We just heard David, it doesn't seem like these temperatures are subsiding anytime soon. So how can parents and even school staff ensure that children are protected from the sun, that they're protected in this heat?
It's going to be really challenging because the temperatures are much higher than we typically see at this time of year. And I think the key is to hydrate. Okay. Really kind of avoid those peak hours where it's really hot outside, but it can be challenging because sometimes that time is much later than what we expect it to be now. We used to say, hey, after 6 p.m. is good, but now even 6 p.m. is really quite hot. So it might be even after like 7 or 8, which can be late for these kids. But avoiding these high peak heat hours, hydration, sunscreen, and really taking good, adequate rests is really going to be important.
Okay. And then in terms of vaccinations, many parents have already done this, but what do parents need to know about that and make sure that their kids are up to date?
Yeah, I think the important thing would be to go see your pediatrician. This is the perfect time to do it. Make sure they're all caught up on all the immunizations that they need for school. And then, things like COVID boosters. The criteria are a little bit different depending on the age group, depending on what type of initial vaccine they got, but really things to talk with your physician about, and they can really guide you. And your schools will also have a list of required vaccinations that are going to be important for the kids heading out to school and even to college.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. I know parents are at home taking notes, and we'll, of course, have this information on our website at